Plant FAQs, Tradescantia Quadricolor. All about the Tradescantia Quadricolor, a plant enthusiast guide. Hi there, Fervu here. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of the Tradescantia zebrina Quadricolor, a stunning houseplant prized for its dazzling foliage. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about caring for this beauty. See more 86 species and genus Tradescantia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Tradescantia Quadricolor? The Tradescantia Quadricolor, also known as the variegated inch plant or the four-colored spiderwort, is a captivating variety of the Tradescantia zebrina family. Unlike its green-leafed cousin, the Quadricolor boasts a mesmerizing display of colors. Each leaf is a unique masterpiece, adorned with a kaleidoscope of pink, purple, silvery white, and green variegation. This mesmerizing combination makes it a standout addition to any indoor space. Tradescantia Quadricolor versus Tricolor. When I had both Tradescantia Quadricolor and Tradescantia Tricolor, I found Quadricolor's vibrant mix of green, pink, white, and purple hues more striking, while Tricolor's bold contrast of green, pink, and cream was equally eye-catching, but with a slightly softer appeal that complemented different spaces beautifully. Is the Tradescantia Quadricolor rare? The Quadricolor isn't quite as ubiquitous as its green counterpart, but it's not uncommon either. It might require a bit more searching compared to readily available houseplants, but with some effort, you can find it at nurseries or online retailers specializing in unique foliage. What are the differences between Tradescantia zebrina and Tradescantia Quadricolor? Both the Tradescantia zebrina and the Quadricolor belong to the same family, but the Quadricolor boasts a more flamboyant appearance. Here's a quick breakdown. Leaves. The zebrina has predominantly green leaves with silvery stripes. The Quadricolor features a vibrant mix of pink, purple, green, and silvery white variegation. Rarity. The zebrina is widely available, while the Quadricolor might require more effort to find. Growth rate. Both varieties are fast-growing, but the Quadricolor might be slightly slower due to the additional energy needed to produce the colorful variegation. How do I care for my Tradescantia Quadricolor? The good news is, the Tradescantia Quadricolor is a relatively low-maintenance plant. Here are some key things to keep in mind. Light. This beauty thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh direct sun, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water your Quadricolor when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering is a leading cause of problems, so err on the side of underwatering. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is crucial. Opt for a mixture formulated for houseplants or cacti. Temperature. The Quadricolor prefers average room temperatures, ideally between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Humidity. While not strictly necessary, moderate humidity can benefit your plant. Grouping it with other houseplants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help increase humidity. Does the Tradescantia Quadricolor flower? Yes, it can. Although not as prolific as some other varieties, the Quadricolor occasionally produces small, delicate, pink flowers. These blooms are a delightful bonus, but the true star of the show is the stunning foliage. How do I propagate my Tradescantia Quadricolor? Propagating your Quadricolor is a breeze. Here's the simplest method. Take stem cuttings with at least 2 to 3 nodes, leaf junctions. Remove the lower leaves from the cutting. Place the cutting in water or a well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil or water moist and provide bright, indirect light. Roots should develop within a few weeks. Once established, you can pot your new plant. Can I grow my Tradescantia Quadricolor outdoors? While primarily an indoor plant, the Tradescantia Quadricolor can thrive outdoors in warm climates with well-drained soil and partial shade. However, be mindful of frost, as it's not cold-hardy. In colder regions, it's best to enjoy it as an indoor companion. Is the Tradescantia Quadricolor toxic to pets? The Tradescantia Quadricolor is considered mildly toxic to pets and humans if ingested. While unlikely to be fatal, it can cause mild stomach upset. If you have curious pets or small children, it's best to place your plant out of reach. Is the Tradescantia Quadricolor easy to care for? Absolutely. With its forgiving nature and minimal requirements, the Tradescantia Quadricolor is a perfect choice for busy plant enthusiasts or beginners. Its vibrant foliage adds a touch of life and personality to any room, and with proper care, it will reward you with years of dazzling beauty.